Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily lesson. Today we're gonna learn how to use first difference, second difference to determine whether the relationship is linear or quadratic or neither. So using finite differences to determine if relation is linear, quadratic or neither. So what we mean is we can understand when we do first example. Basically what we do is first difference, if it's equal, it's linear, it's gonna be linear. And then second difference is quadratic. So other than that, we're gonna write today neither, this word neither. But when you're doing grade 12, then third difference will be cubic. Third difference will be cubic roots. Cubic function means when y is equal to x cubed. That's why. But we are not learning. You see, when you are grade 12, you're gonna learn x cubed, x to the fourth, or x to the fifth. But these ones are grade 12 and up. So today we're gonna do first and second difference only. Other than that, all this we're gonna write neither. We're gonna write neither for the day. Yeah, for this lesson only. Yeah. So other than that, if you are grade 12 and we know you know cubic root, fourth, fifth roots. So anyway, the first example says. So we're gonna do our first example 1. We are given a table x and y values. X and y values, the first one 0 1, and then 1 3, 1 3, then 2 5, 2 5, then 3 7, 3 7, whatever, 3 7, and 4 9. So we have all this. So what we do is, and we're gonna do first difference first. So we're gonna do here first difference. What we mean is second, this one we're gonna subtract from the first. So we're gonna write here 2 minus 1, and the product, the outcome, we're gonna write there. So that's the first one. So this, then 2 minus 1 is 1. And then what we're gonna do, and then 5 minus 3. This one we're gonna do this one. Yeah, this one 5 and 3. Then we're gonna write here 5 minus 3 minus 1. This one I wrote 2. It's not 2 because it's 3 minus 1. The answer is 2. I was thinking the answer, 2. Yeah, so that's why I said what's wrong, why I didn't get it. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. And then 9 minus 7 will be 2. So we get same value, all 2's. So this is, it is a linear equation, linear relation. So whenever, make sure the numbers, you have to double check. So if you don't, so the way we saw 3 minus 1 supposed to be 2. So sometimes the number you write and your brain a little bit faster one the other, so be careful. All right, we're lucky we survived. Yeah, so it's good. Yeah, so that one is correct. The second example, our second example says, so we given x and y values that 0 2 first, 0 2 0 2 1 3, and then 2 6 2 6, then 3 11, and 4 18. So now what we have to do, we must perform first difference first. First difference. First we're gonna do first difference. So first difference, what we have to do, we're gonna do 3 minus 2. Yeah, 3 minus 2, that is 1. And then we're gonna do 6 minus 3, and this one is gonna be 6 minus 3, which is 3. And then we're gonna do 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6, that is 5. And then we're gonna do this one, and 18 minus 11, that is 7. So our first difference, all are different. So this one is not linear 100%. So we know it is not a linear. So what we're gonna do now, we have to do a second difference now. We have to do second difference. And second difference says, okay, 3 minus 1. We're gonna do 3 minus 1, that is 2. And then 5 minus 3 next. 5 minus 3, that is 2. And then 7 minus 5, that is 2. So this relationship is quadratic. Yeah, it is a quadratic function or quadratic relation. So this is a quadratic relation. So the work is very simple. So whatever first difference, if they are different, then we're going to perform the second difference. If second difference if they're different or they are not the same, we're going to do the third difference. But in this learning, we have to just say neither. That's it. So we have to prove linear, quadratic. So the third example, we will see what it's going to do, either neither or whatever. The third example says, okay, x y, we're given 1 4, 1 4. Next one, 3 12. Then 5 28, 5 28, and then 7 52, 7 5 2, 7 5 2, and the last one, 9 84, 9 84. So we have to do first first difference and then see how it goes. So first we perform first difference. First difference says, okay, 12 minus 4, the first one, 12 minus 4, that is 8. That's 8. And then second one we're gonna do, and 28 minus 12, we do 28 minus 12 is gonna be, first 2 minus 8 is gonna be 6, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, 16. And then next one we will write then 52 minus 28, and then we can perform if you want here 52 minus 28, and this one's gonna be 4, and then 12, 4, and then 4 minus 2 is gonna be 2, 24 here, 24. And then we're gonna do next one, 84 minus 52, 84 minus 52 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and then 8 minus 5 is 3, yeah, 8 minus 5, yeah, it's 3, it's 32. So now we have to do second difference because they are all different, 8, 16, and then this one looks like second difference will be matched, I think. Yeah, second difference. The second difference says 16 minus 8, first one, 16 minus 8, that is 8. And then 24 minus 16, 24 minus 16 is 8. And then 32 minus 24 is going to be 8. You know, 6 plus 2 is 8. Yeah, it's 8. So second difference, they matched. So it is a quadratic, this one. It is a quadratic relation. So the work is like that. So we didn't met neither. So we got only quadratic or linear. So if they're different, the second difference, then we can continue or now. But in this case, just we will say neither. That's the end for our lesson for the day. Have a great day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.